Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hifna's Cookhouse. Today we're trying out this amazing roast pasta recipe, hoping it turns out good. So let's get into the video. To make it, I've taken a saucepan with some water in it. Now when it starts simmering, add 2 cups of peony pasta. Now to this, add some salt and some olive oil. Now boil it till it cooks. Once it's boiled, check the doneness with the fork. As you can see, it's perfectly cooked. Now we can keep this aside and strain it. Don't forget to wash it after straining it. Now for the next step, I've taken a pan here to which I'm going to add some olive oil and butter. About 4 tablespoons of butter, which should be completely melted for our next ingredient to be added. Now we'll add 4 tablespoons of flour to it and mix it thoroughly. After mixing, once you see it simmering and starting to bubble, you have to add 2 cups of milk to it. Make sure you add cold milk. There we go, 2 cups of fine milk. Now again mix it. Adding cheese is optional, but here I do not have any cheese, so I'm not adding any. Now to taste, we'll add some salt and some pepper. Now again we have to mix this until the consistency is thick. As you can see, it's now thickened up. This is the consistency you will need. Now that it's done, we will be putting this aside while we will be making the next sauce. So now I've taken a saute pan to which I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now add 2 tablespoons of butter and let it melt completely. Once the butter is melted, add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic to it. Then add 1/4 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Don't let it burn. Next, add half tablespoon of oregano. Once that's done, you have to add half tablespoon of chili flakes to it. Next, add 1 big finely chopped onion. If you're taking small onion, make sure you take 2. It should have a golden brown color. Next ingredient is tomato sauce. About 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Next, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Next, add 1 cup of tomato puree. Now again start mixing it. Once that's done, you can add salt. Make sure you don't add a lot, because you already added some in the white sauce and while boiling the pasta. Now we'll add the white sauce that we prepared earlier to the mix. This is the color we will need. Now add the pasta that we boiled, strained and washed earlier. Mix it really well. I'm adding some extra tomato sauce. This is completely optional. That's it guys. This is our final product. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked my video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do press the bell icon too. Hoping to see you again. Till then, bye.